So let us start with the basic one first. Few information is given. Summation x as 900, summation y as 700, summation x square as 6360, summation y square as 2860, summation xy as 3900 with n is equal to 10. So you will come across such questions many times, and you are supposed to determine regression equation. So I am solving this for you. Okay, so we need to determine this regression equation, and we know that we have two types of regression equations. One is your y on x and the other is on x on y. To calculate this, we know the regression equation of y on x is given as y minus y bar is equal to byx multiplied by x minus x bar, and for x on y we have this equation as x minus x bar is equal to bxy on y minus y bar. So we can see from here that we need two variables. One is your regression coefficient y on x and mean for y, and similarly regression coefficient x on y and mean of x. To complete this equation, this is the regression equation. To complete this equation we need these two things. Okay, so we will find out this beta value first, this regression coefficient first, and we know that this byx is defined as n, if you remember from the previous class, summation xy, then the product of summation x and y independently divided by n summation x square minus this, and we have all the values with us. So we know 10, n is 10, and summation xy is given as 3900 minus summation x multiplied by summation y divided by 10 sigma x square, summation x square. The summation x square is given as 6360 minus 900 whole square. So now I ask you to solve this and just tell me the value which you get by solving this. So I need value of byx from you guys. Second, let us find out the value of bxy. So meanwhile you find this value, I will solve for this bxy. This bxy is same, this is not going to change, minus, just there is a change in the denominator, y square minus sigma y to the whole square, and we put the value here as 10 into 3900. So if you calculate the numerator, that is going to be same here, minus 900 multiplied by 700, and then 10 multiplied by 2860 minus 700 to the whole square. Now please tell me the value of byx and then bxy. You have got 2 minutes. Please solve this. We need y bar also, which is summation y divided by n, and we need x bar also, which is summation x upon n. This is simple. Summation x is given. Summation x is given as 900 and n is given as 10. So this is 90. Summation y is given as 700 divided by 10, which is 70. So did you calculate this byx? Class, are you doing the calculation? Akshita.
Yes, sir, doing it.
Okay.
0.7.
0.7 for this
Sir,
one?
0.791.
791. All right. And bxy?
1.26.
1.264.
64.
All right. Fine. So now we have these two values. So I am considering this value that you have calculated it correctly. You have byx, you have bxy, you have x bar, y bar. So let us put these values into this equation and you will get the regression equations. So two regression equations are as follows. One is here, which is y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar, and the other one is x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. So let us put these values. Y minus the value of y bar is 70 and byx is 0.791 multiplied by x minus x bar is 90. For this one, x minus x bar is 90, bxy is 1.264, y minus y bar, and y bar is 70. So we will solve this and we'll get a equation. So this is y minus 70, 0.791x minus, just multiply this for me.
Sir,
71.
71.19.
71.19. 71.19. All right. Now next you solve this and you will get the equation in the form of y is equal to 0.791x minus 71.19 plus 70. y is equal to 0.791x. यहाँ बताइए यहाँ क्या आएगी वैल्यू? 1.19. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now we have this y on x regression line equation ready. Let's calculate for this x. X minus 90 is equal to 1.264, calculate it for me.
So
1.264,
88.48.
88.48. All right, so this x will be equal to 1.264y minus 88.48 plus 90. So this x will be equal to 1.264y and plus how much?
1.70.
हाँ जी, 90 minus 88.48,
1.70.
1.52.
So 52.
All right, so this is regression equation of x on y, and you can see clearly that this x on y means this x is a dependent variable which depends on y. So if this variable change, this y gets changed, this x will change by this expression. And we studied in the start of this session, start of this regression, linear regression, that this is a tool for prediction and forecasting. So if I ask you that now you have this regression line with you based on the relationships between y and x, can you tell me what will be the value of y when x is equal to 2500? So this statement says that y is a dependent variable and x is independent. So we must know which variable depends on which variable. So what you will do, you will put the value of x, here, and then you will get the value of y. So y will be 0.791 into 2500 minus 1.19. Do you get this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Another question. Now this question says that age of car and their maintenance cost has some relationship. And this relationship is given here. It says that age of cars and maintenance cost is given. When age of car in years, this is in years, 2, 4, 6 and 8. The maintenance cost was 10, 20, 25 and 30. And it says that determine regression equations for cost related to age. And it says that also estimate the maintenance cost for a 10-year-old car. So we have the data for 8-year-old car and he wants us to predict the maintenance cost for a 10-year-old car. So it means which is dependent and which is independent, you tell me.
The maintenance cost is dependent.
Okay, so let us mark it as y and this as x. So we will be calculating this y on x. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll be taking it as y on x, and to calculate y on x regression equation, the regression equation is given as y minus y bar byx, some people call it as beta also. So x minus x bar. Now what do we need? We need this. We need this. We need this. Can we get these from the data? For that we need to write this expression. This expression says n summation xy minus summation x independently as a product of x y and n summation x square minus summation x ka whole square. So what all we need is summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation xy. So from here you can get summation x, समेशन y यहाँ मिल जाएगा, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए एंड यू विल गेट योर समेशन x y. यू मेक अ स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर निकालिए, इसका स्क्वायर कीजिए, you add them, you will get summation x square. So now we have this xy. Independently we can calculate the mean of individuals, like x bar will be calculated as summation x upon n and y bar as summation y upon n. Then you put these values into this, you get your regression equation. Now it says that 10-year-old car का maintenance cost निकालना है. So the value of x is given as 10, you calculate the cost. Do you feel any difficulty here?
So how to find age of car? I didn't get.
How to find?
Sorry. That maintenance cost for 10-year-old car.
Okay, can you get the regression equation done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose this equation is this, y minus y bar कितना आ रहा है, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 25, 85, 85 divided by 4. तो y bar is 85 divided by 4 which is your 21.25 is equal to, ये आप कैलकुलेट कर लीजिएगा, x माइनस एक्स बार कितना आ रहा है, 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 20, 20 डिवाइड बाई 4, x बार इज 5. ठीक है, यहां से आप y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. ये वैल्यू पता लग जाएगी. तो ये आपकी एक इक्वेशन, ये आपकी एक इक्वेशन बनेगी. दैट इक्वेशन विल बी y बी वाई एक्स और इंटू एक्स, ये कोई नंबर आपका आएगा और प्लस माइनस कोई भी कांस्टेंट. So now you just need to put the value of x as 10. Why? X क्या है, एज है ना, and the examiner wants us to calculate